Okay, this is GeoGebra tutorial 2 on transformations. Here we're going to learn, just make sure you all know how to translate, rotate, and reflect objects in GeoGebra. I'm going to start out with a nice boring triangle. You should be starting out with your fancy decorated triangle with all the names on it. And what I'm going to do for the first one, I'm going to do a translation. So for a translation, the first thing we need is a vector to tell it where to go. Here's the vector tool. I'm going to go ahead and start it on one of the vertices of my triangle. So now I've got a vector. Go down to Transform Tools, and this is the Translate by Vector tool. It says to select an object to translate first. So I click on that triangle, and then I click on the vector I want to translate it by. And there we go. I can escape out of that and play around with the vector. It'll change. If I play around with the original triangle, it'll change the translated one. And then make sure you save using this menu. Alright, for 2.2, I'm back to my original triangle. You're going to start off with yours that's much nicer than mine. And this is for reflections. First I'm going to make a line to reflect it over. Feel free to give your line a fancy name and change its color and style if you'd like. Then I'm going to find the reflection tool and select my triangle, select my reflection line, and there it is. I can escape out and move my reflecting line around to see what happens. I can do the same changes to my original triangle. Make sure you save. And last but not least, let's do a rotation. For rotations, you need a center. So let's make a point anywhere you'd like. This is going to be the center of your rotation. You can name it anything you'd like. And we'll go down to the rotate tool. Rotate around a point, select an object to rotate in the center. Object, center. Maybe I'll do 72 degrees. And there's my object. Again, play around, see how you can change things by making the center in a different place and changing the original triangle. And don't forget to save.